Hello everybody, and welcome to another video. Another Tatung Einstein video. Sorry, but this is what I like doing now, so it's going to be more Tatung Einstein videos from now on. This video is quite interesting. The Tatung Einstein has two 7-pin analog to digital converters. Now these are normally used for joysticks. So you've got a channel 0, channel 1, which is the up, down, left, right, and you've got a dedicated fire pin, and a 0 volts and a signal ground. And there's also a reference pin. Now what I've discovered is that if you've got an audio RCA jack, very much like this, yeah, the inner pin, the inside, this one, goes to pin 1 or pin 3, looking into the device. So if that is, I think on the diagram, that little doobie bit there is this. So you've got pin 1, pin 3, you see that? Pin 1, pin 3, and then pin 6 and 6, 1, 4, 2. Pin 2 here, so 6 and 2 are ground, pin 1 is in, pin 3 is in, and I think pin 5 is fire, 4 is reference in, and I think 7 isn't connected. But I will need to check that. But I know to get audio or any signal into the Einstein, you connect pin 1 on channel 0 and pin 3 for channel 1. So what I'm going to do is try and get an audio monitor or a sampler into the Tatung Einstein. So I'm going to turn on my soldering iron, 305 degrees. I've got my rosin core, and I've got some USB cable, because the USB cable fits nicely in there. Now at the moment it will just be hanging off this, just like that, which is not good, but I know that eventually I'll get a little project box. So the idea is to put this one on pin 1, which is left, which will be mono. Actually, that one, do that one. So this is pin 1, so that will be mono. And this is pin 3, which will be the other channel, which if we do it correctly, we'll be able to get stereo monitoring. So I don't know whether this is going to work or not. I've got a small program on the Einstein already that supposedly monitors the mono channel and displays things on the screen. So I'm going to try that first, but what I need to do is cut my long USB cable down to size. Right, after a huge struggle with a magnifying glass and the soldering iron, we're at this stage. The ground isn't the best, but at least these, by the looks of things, are not touching. Just noticed a tiny bit of solder there that may be shorting something out. Yeah, it's definitely something not right there. There we go. So not shorting out there. I'll just check all these connections. Right, so there's no short there. 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 Okay, so because this is stuck up a bit, I want to put some masking tape around it, some black electrical tape. If I can. Just to make it insulated. I don't want no nasty shorts. And then we put the cap on, which is that way, I do believe. And then that one on there like that. And then that goes on like that. Now, that doesn't look right. There's not a sealed gap there, is there? Right. Let's see if we can pull that back out then. Yeah, there we go. So why is that not a proper gap? Oh, have I bent this and melted it so much? Yeah, looks like I have. Right, well that's my bad. We'll make the best of a bad do. Let's see whether this will actually work. It probably won't even go in the Einstein socket because I think, as you can see there, the pins are so far out of whack. I don't think it'll fit in, but I'm going to try it and I'll let you know. Okay, I have a manual which I've been using, and I have now this very small program. So still with audio coming in to the Einstein. If we run this now, the music obviously was very quiet. See, it's building up. And because this is basic, it's very slow. But that is the 0 to 256 of the A.D.C port. And according to the manual, A.D.C, where are we? Page 32. It returns a value in the range of 0 to 255. And apparently the most common for this is for joystick testing in joystick games. Okay, let's break that. Let me save. Cool. But I do like that one instead. That's the one that I wrote. So that goes to show, you see, that you can actually do audio monitoring on an Einstein. I have to do it in Z-Basic though and get it compiled because this is just really slow. Not so sure whether we can do audio throughput. Well, thanks for watching this very short video. If you like my videos, please subscribe to the channel. Hit the bell notification icon so that you get notifications when I upload more videos. Give it a thumbs up if you like the video. Give it a thumbs down if you don't. And please leave me a comment. The more comments I get on the Einstein, the more I know that there's people in the Einstein community still using their machines, because we're very few and far between. And on that note, thank you very much. Goodbye.